Dumelang, sanibonani, molweni, yenda, dumelang, hello, all the nice stuff. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Don't be greedy with information. Oh, nyama, share. Okay, today we are doing, will be in a grade 12 paper. I'm going to start with reading the instructions. I want you guys to understand the importance of reading the instructions because some of you lose marks because you didn't read the instructions. Now, the instructions say read the following instructions carefully before answering the questions. Carefully. Number one, this question paper consists of 10 questions. So make sure that it's 1 up to 10. If there's a fault, we sell a movie question paper. Answer all the questions, all true, but you don't have to answer them sequentially. You can answer question 1, uthathe lezo zaziyo, uye question 2, uthathe lezo wazaziyo. Lezo sure ukuthi uzothatha ama-points, ungamoshi isikhathi. Wemetse gore uthole answer right, umuntu ungasayi-understanding. Uma ungayi-understand, skip ubhale 1.1.3, answer 1.1.3, 1.1.4, underline uye question 2. Kanjalo skip ongazazi, underline uye question 3. Bese uzabuya kulamagebhe owashiyile kule phepha lakho uzulungisa, right? Number the questions correctly. This one is very important, people. You're going to lose marks. Ungabhala answer right. If the numbering is not correct, you are going to metric. You must make sure, right, you number according to the way question paper numbering are going. If question paper has a mistake, number like the mistake of the question paper. Don't correct the mistake of the question paper. Marking center, then they will correct it themselves. They'll know what to do. Answer or clearly show all calculations, diagrams, graphs that you have used. Like I always say, don't use a scrapbook. Answer in your answer sheet. Leave everything there. Cancel there, right? Because the answers there, you can get marks from Lama scrapbook. You can divide a page into two. This side call it scrap, this side, and the good left side the scrap. That's where you mark the same sheet, right? Because most of you guys nithanda ukuthi nibhala answer right ku-scrape la mase transfer and bhala answer kuphela, especially isikhathi masenishaya, then you're going to lose marks. Answers only will not necessarily be awarded full marks. Like I said, answers only will not be afforded full marks. So make sure that when you answer properly. You may use an approved scientific calculator unless stated otherwise. Use a calculator, but if it's written lapaya or please do not use a calculator. Please don't use a calculator. Because if you use a calculator where they say you must not use a calculator, then you must understand what uzoluza marks, right? You can't fool us. Don't use a calculator, only use it kule ndawo okumele uyuse. Labathi khona explicitly ungasebenzisi calculator. Boom, iyeke phansi. If necessary, round off answers to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. So now round off, you already know how many decimal places, you don't have to guess. Diagrams are not necessarily drawn to scale. So lama graph wabona lapho wa measuring a rule because our drawing to scale. An information sheet with formula is included at the end of the question paper. There'll be a formula sheet, look for it. A formula, sometimes they can guide you. Write neatly and legibly. Okay. So what we'll be doing today, we'll be doing question 2.1. So 2.1 says, given the arithmetic series. Now the arithmetic series is the one yaga plus no minus. The geometric series is the one of multiply and divide. So here you are given an arithmetic series, and then they're giving you the series. It's 7 plus 12 plus 17. Therefore, you are going to have to write the sequence first, then we deal with the problems. I-maths subject ama-problem. If ukhona ukusolve inkinga ze-maths, awuzokhona ukusolve inkinga zempilo ngawari. So we have 7. Let me make it a bit thicker. We have 7. And then we have plus, 12. Then we have plus 17, then plus blah blah blah. Okay. So what does the first question want from us? The first question is determine the value of Tn. So Tn is the term number. That's grade 11 work, right? So they want you to find the value of Tn. So a formula corner is Tn is equals to A plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket D. Ungakhohlwa le formula udinga ukuyikhumbula, it's in the formula sheet. You just look at the formula sheet and the formula is there. Now, what's A? It's the first term, 7. What's N? Number of terms. And then what's D? The constant difference. Now, our constant difference in the formula we told you, remember, T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. Right. Now, you see, it starts with 2, it ends with 2. That's the formula for the constant difference. So our term 2 is 12. Term 2, 9. Then our term 1 is 7. So we say minus 7 is equals to our term 3 is 17 minus term 2 is still 12. Manje, the answer is 5 is equals to 5. Now, here's the thing, Dumya. You don't need to do this grade 12. You don't need this process. If you can figure out how to find the constant difference without the calculations, you can do it. But it's risky. It's risky. So if you can do it, you can do it. But if you need to write T2 minus T1, please do so. At the end of the day, I'm a max as well for now, right? So don't make mistakes. Okay. So now we're going to substitute. They said we must look for T. They told us the term number. A T by level question. They told us the term number, but it's T91. So we are looking for T91, meaning everywhere laubono n corner. We're going to substitute 191. So you have T91, which is equals to our A, which is 7, plus open bracket 91 minus 1 close bracket times 5. Now the 7 the 7 is the A, the 5 the 5 is this one. Instead we calculator the constant difference. The 91 the question, but it's funa item yobu 91, right? But the term 91. And then you put this in the calculator, right? It's easy enough. You just put in the calculator and generate an answer. So it's 91 minus 9, which gives us 90. 90 multiplied by 5, which gives us half of 900, which is 450. So the final answer is 457. Now, thing we answer the corner, just put this in the calculator. Calculator will generate an answer. So we found the first answer, 457, right? Okay, we have our common constant difference, right? And then we go to the next question. The next question says, calculate S91. So the first one, we found the term 91. The second one is looking for the sum of these 91 terms. Now, this is a grade 12 question. The first one was a grade 11 question. Very easy. Now it's easy now because it has a formula. Go back to your formula sheet and you'll find a formula Sn, and then the formula Sn will say Sn is equals to n over 2. Go formula sheet over open big bracket 2a plus n minus 1 close bracket d, and then close big bracket. Now they want us to find the sum of 91, but about the term 91, so it's term 91, the formula corner. Imagine they're saying we must look for the sum in 91. As far as into A1 into A1, A1 is baseline. So city S91 will be equals to Laubon n corner for 91. 91 over 2, open big bracket, 2 times our first term or 7. A is the first term, plus 91 minus 1 close bracket times 5. And then you put this in the calculator. Then our final answer is 21,112. Now this is the sum. So you see, firstly they wanted the term, the TN layer, 74 million grade 11 ATN. Then they wanted the sum, the SN layer, 74 million grade 12. So over grade 11 layer, layer is 2 and then after that, we go to the last one. So the last question says, calculate the value of n for which Tn is 517. So calculate the value of n for which Tn is 517. So lana but which umthakathi. So they want us to find umthakathi. So every time abakhuluma ngomthakathi, you must know ukuthi ufuna u-n inunu. Recently found out ukuthi kunento ebizwa inunu ngesiZulu ihambisana nabathakathi vele bathi umthakathi mangakufaka inunu usenkingeni. So nalana bathi which, when you see which lama question ama sequence and series, you must know ukuthi you are looking uzo substitute go equals to before equals na after equals. So sikhuluma ngo Tn, so Tn formula khona is a plus n minus 1 close bracket d. So mabathi which mawuza umthakathi nje which uhlala wazi ukuthi uzo substitute la le number bazokupha yona uzoyifaka la, right? So usho ukuthi lo 517 uyo simfaka la, angithi, and then sifunani, sifuna n, sifuna inunu. Bona umthakathi mawuza ngomthakathi uhlala wazi kunonunu ofakiwe lapha. So sebenzisa the same sequence ebasiphe yona. U-a wethu sithe yini? U7, right? Angithi basitshelile bathi 7, 12 and 17, u-a u7, and then plus u-n asimazi sifuna ununu because kunomthakathi, minus 1 close bracket, and then id yethu i5 siyitholile earlier on, angithi. So manje sesiyasolve manje, back to solve for x, right? I-board must ithini? Brackets first. So uzodistribute lo 5 kunonu naku1. So sino 517 anazo 517, which is equals to 7 plus 5 times n is 5n minus 5. And then from here, it is 7 minus 5. Ngoba sisayidine 1 angithi ziyafana. These are my like terms. Is per u2. Lo 2 bese siyamthatha sibuletha ngapha. So positive 2 is about negative 2. So it's now 517 minus 2, which is equals to 5n. Sifuna n, sifuna ununu. Angithi bathe which. So manje senzani? Sifuna ukudivide la ngo5. I-answer sizoyithola la nakhona siyidivide ngo5. 517 minus 2 izosiphani 515 divided by 5. So n wethu lo 5 nalo 5 ziyokhanselana kusala u-n, bese sithi 515 divided by 5. Then masithi 515 divided by 5, i-answer yethu kuba u103, which means ununu wethu makunomthakathi is 103. So niyayithola ukuthi sebenza kanjani? So basize kahle shem, this is one of the easiest questions. Ngidila ngama-easy namhlanje. U-Tn grade 11 bebafuna i-term 91, sathola i-constant difference u5, and then sabatholela u-Tn wabo. Saphuma lapho bathi masini ka-grade 12 sifuna u-Sn. Sn sasebenzisa iformula yakhona nakhona sasubstitute u-a wakhona, sasubstitute i-common difference, sathola u-Sn. Bese bathi which, mabathi which khuluma ngomthakathi. And then mabakhuluma ngomthakathi sifuna ununu. So siyazi ukuthi masifuna ununu sizofaka le number basiphe yona ukuthi i-n because bakhuluma ngomthakathi bese unono wethu kuba yini 103. So grade 12, go practice more questions like this. Ubone ukuthi uya-understanda now, and then we will meet again tomorrow as we move. Hit the like button, subscribe, share kumngane, share kuzitha zakho, share kubathakathi, share kubonono, everything, right? Okay guys.